In this question, it says that there are 5 workers. It takes them 10 hours to build a new server, and each worker has the same efficiency. Now, if they start building at 11 and one person is added every hour starting at 3. So if I assume that one worker per hour does 1 unit of work, then the total work is basically the work done by those 5 workers in 10 hours. So that's 50 units. Now, in the first, started off at 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. So that's the first 4 hours. These 5 workers have worked and they have done 20 units of work. So you're left with the remaining 30 units. Now you are saying that you are just adding one worker at the end of every hour. Okay. So after doing 20 hours, when there were 5 workers working, the next hour there would be 6 working and they would be doing 1 unit of work per hour. So in the next hour, that means this was till 3 p.m. At the end of 4 p.m. plus 6 would have happened, then plus 7, then plus 8. We need to figure out when it will be basically 50. So basically this side would need to add up to 30. That's our target. Now it's a very simple addition. I think it's best to do it manually. So 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 8 is 21 and next will be plus 9 and you have reached 30. So by the end of 7 p.m. at the end of 7 p.m. you would be over with the work. So answer is option 2.